In the vineyard next door, 10 o'clock at night. The kids are trying to sleep. Ten past 10 at night. Still the 16th of September. He's still spraying.
Recording that.
Is it? 22nd of September, and I've woken up with this itchy rash, but I can't scratch because it's touch. And I get this rash when I'm working after the vineyard have been sprayed. I don't get the rash when the vineyards haven't been sprayed.
Just come stand over here, isn't it?
Whether I work in the garden or not.
Come stand right over here, see if you can sit better.
I work in the garden when he's not sprayed, and I feel okay.
See it pretty well. Looks a bit of a bad rash, doesn't it?
Oh, it's so sore. The throat's closing over, I can't. That's right. Can't get rid of cough.
I'll see if I can zoom in on it, Betty.
It's not an asthma attack. When the doctor examined my throat, there's no soreness there at all. It just feels very sore.
Is it mostly on one side?
It's both, isn't it? I don't know.
Yeah. Not quite as...
Oh, right.
Just turn around like that.